You see NHT on your payslip every month, but do you know what you're contributing towards? Because NHT is not just a housing deduction, it can become one of your biggest financial advantages. NHT stands for National Housing Trust. It is a mandatory housing contribution in Jamaica. The purpose is to help contributors access housing benefits and loans. Both employees and employers contribute. Employees contribute 2% of their gross salary. Employers contribute 3% separately. There is no tax-free threshold for NHT. It is calculated on your gross earnings. Let's use a relatable example. If your monthly salary is $200,000, 2% of $200,000 equals $4,000. Your employer contributes 3%, which would be $6,000. Now, let's say someone earns $120,000 per month. That person may not pay income tax because they are below the annual income tax threshold, but they still contribute to NHT. 2% of $120,000 equals $2,400. So, what does NHT give you? NHT gives you access to NHT mortgage loans, lower interest housing loans, grants in certain qualifying cases, and a refund after 7 years of contributions. Even if you have never used an NHT loan, you are eligible for a refund in the 8th year once you meet the contributions requirements. That means your contributions are not lost. Understanding this early can change how you plan your financial future. Let's place NHT in the deduction order. NHT is separate from income tax. Even if someone earns over $6 million per year and pays the higher income tax rate, their NHT is still calculated at 2%. NHT is not tax deductible. Unlike NIS, it does not reduce your taxable income. It is calculated directly from your gross salary. Now that you understand income tax, education tax, NIS, and NHT, in the next video, we'll bring everything together on one full sample payslip. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.